Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas. Decoration ideas. Centerpieces look so attractive. As you know that without decoration Merry Christmas is so incomplete. So I collect beautiful idea for my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel. 50 plus unique idea for your celebrations and recreate transfer your house. Beautiful decoration, beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpiece design for my viewers. Beautiful idea, beautiful creativity, fresh idea for fresh years. The designs will look so attractive. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and give more ideas, specific decorating tips and how to recreate transfer your house, how to decorate your house on the days of Merry Christmas. I provide you simple idea for your celebrations. Centerpieces look so attractive. All the designs are very amazing and beautiful. These designs are amazing, attractive and trending. All over modern way to celebrate your festival 2025. I hope you enjoy my video. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you love the designs and beauty of creativity idea. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. Centerpieces look so attractive and enhance the beauty of your table decoration, wall decorations. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.